a free AI marketing tool that lets you generate business plans, marketing plans, and lets you test different business ideas, all for free. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Starting Idea, and in this video, I'll show you a new tool that I discovered. It's called Venturous AI, and it lets you test different business ideas and marketing plans, and it generates them, and also lets you test business ideas. So to just give you a demonstration, a quick one, I'll type an idea. I'll type my business, which is a growth magazine, business growth magazine, targeting new freelancers and teaching them how to grow using AI tools. So this is a business plan. You can enter your idea or the current business you have, and it will generate a business description. It will generate a business report and generate a marketing plan. So let's test it. And this is all for free. It lets generate different marketing plans, business plans, SWOT analysis, all kinds of things. You will see just now. All right, here we have it. So it has generated an entire report based on the idea I gave. And it says that that the overview, it reiterates the business ideas to launch a business growth magazine targeting new freelancers, and the industry insight, it gives you a SWOT analysis. So it gives you like what are the strengths of my ideas, accessibility to AI tools, expert guidance, weakness. It is very honest about it, competition from other magazines, because a lot of these AI magazines popping up, and it has opportunities, and it also lists the threats. Now it has a PESTLE analysis. So PESTLE is, it's an acronym for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal aspects. So it basically tests like, the current scenario, and it tests your idea that if like what are the challenges and situations which we need to take into account, the dynamics of the environment we need to take into account while going with the business. And here it lists them. It lists the target audience and user stories. So the user story is like a demography, like what the end user wants. And this is so cool about this tool is that it generates a very specific kind of a user, and what are their needs, the 3 AM challenges, and their what are the pain points, and it lists these in one line form, so that who you are serving. And then you can optimize your content accordingly, or whatever your product is accordingly to that. Suitable business strategies, it gives exact tips on how to grow. It goes into a lot of details, like like you hired an MBA to do this report, and it keeps going. Wow, it's certainly one of the most amazing tools I've seen when it comes to generating business plans and validating your idea. And it's when you're working alone as a solopreneur or a freelancer, it's good to have that second brain, and this tool uses a lot of that. Thank you again for listening, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Let's make it 100. It's my motivation. I'm being more regular now. I'm publishing videos, and I would really love that we can grow. I believe that 2023 is the year where we can use AI to leverage ahead. But the trick is we need to move fast, and to move fast we need to know all the tools which are popping up and know them and capitalize on them. So subscribe it, share it, and let's grow together. See you in the next